Looking for a lawn services expert? Let me show you in the following video how easy it is to find the best lawn services expert in your area.
Tired of spending your whole weekends mowing your lawn? Looking for the best full-service lawn maintenance company in your area? You don't need to spend hours on the phone trying to find the best lawn care professionals. We are right here, at your fingertips. Do you love gardening but hardly have the time? We take care of your lawn so that you can find time doing the things you love. We deliver an array of quality, efficient and timely services, from regular lawn maintenance to mowing lawns, trimming shrubs, spreading fresh mulch, weeding, replanting flower beds, etc. Our rates are very affordable. When you hire us for a lawn care services job, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Experience the quality of our services. Hire us once and you will keep us as your #1 lawn care maintenance specialist.
I hope you feel a little better now that you know who to call to care for your lawn. So don't wait. Contact us now. You will be glad you did.